Hello, good evening, my fellow Africa brothers and sisters. Wherever you come across this YouTube channel, True Talk with Margaret Ukop TV show, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Support your sister. Thank you as you support me. God will bless you. You see, today topic now about Andrew. Why Andrew? Why Andrew? Now, wow. Because of money, you let them kill your brother in that kind of painful death. They beat your brother because of money. They beat her till he breathed the last breath. That kind of painful death. Andrew, why? Because of money. Why you let these people kill your brother because of just money? Waiting, this money will be say everybody will die, live one day. You don't carry the money to go heaven. They don't go bury you with the money. You understand? Eh? Now 6 feet they go put you. So you let your brother, because if they call you uncle, you let your niece or whatever, your brother die because of money. My people, make we just dey careful for the kind of people we dey trust. Because as we dey see this time so, even the Bible say Satan go come be say brother go go against sister, sister go against brother, father will go against children, children will go against father, mothers, husband and wife will go against each other. There is nobody to trust, because person wey you call your person wey you love, wey you trust, wey you say na my brother, na my uncle, no go fit do me that kind of thing. Na go even sell you, betray you. And many talk, even as this problem dey go around this social media. You see some people, they see they put comments say even in Libya, they say that is their fellow black, their fellow Africa, even their fellow tribe person. They said and they give Arab people. Somebody post this, they say this is what we go through in Libya. Even me, I face this kind of beating in Libya. My fellow black send me out to these Arab people. This one are because of money. Because of money, you do business with Arab person. I don't want to know that na other business una do. I don't want to know. You leave, you run, leave your brother Andrew. You run, you not come back, you not bring these people money. It's like you sell your brother to them. You say that is mean that for you, you don't even care what happened to him. You want to talk say as this guy they cry, they beg you. Say me as you they see the way they whip and they beat am. You self not even call say okay, I they bring the money. Where I go bring the money? Where I go take post the money to na gonna leave my brother. So you this one a life I see na life. You say your brother, that is, you don't even care life, you not care so. You Andrew wey did there, so we carry wear white t-shirt. You let them kill this young man for nothing. And you let them kill him for nothing. Because you are older than him. You shorten this man life, and the spirit of this man will never let you rest. The way this young guy die painful than so you two go follow. You will never get peace. That money, you no go eat it with peace, because that is blood money. That is blood money. I don't think they talk and say, by killing person, it's not about yourself beating that person to death or shooting that person. About when you betray person. But when you betray person, the person die by shocking. Or waiting happen to this guy, so now happen to the person. Like the way they take the whip and they whip and they whip, and these other people beat am. No food, no water. They cry. That is, if you want to really see the real pains, and a lot of people don't see am. For 2 days, I cannot get myself to the last breath, the last day they beat this man to death. Why? Why you just let this man die for nothing? Why you let these Arab people kill this man for nothing? Why? How long would they kill us? Would they sell ourselves? They give other people, Arab people and all, to destroy our family. You see some girls and so they cry. It's one lady too, one girl wey be say na Madonna, na the Arab woman package, and they pack like they send her to package, like what you they do. I go put am when you want to sell more to go to Africa, you want to sell clothes go to Africa. Now they package this woman. Package this guy after the oga don't kill and finish. ship and go back to Nigeria. If not be saying that the immigration, then I ask question. Another video when I come across again, I say Arab man. This Arab man, they give this young girl, he wife, I don't want to pronounce the name. Put out, make it mix am with water, make it drink. Another one, so the Arab man, they beat the woman, till the woman won't kill the woman. If not be saying, now your father stop her. Why would they say, well, this is not the time of slavery? Why we black people can do anything because of money? Why are we selling our brothers and sisters because of money? And today, we say, stop to this bad business. If you do for one night, if you do bad business, you say they do human trafficking, you do bad business. We say stop it. Don't sell your sister, don't sell your brother because of money to these Arab people. These Arab people, they don't like, even the Oyibo, they are more 100% better than these Arab people. They don't like us. Can we get it for God's sake? That these people don't like us. Hey, Andrew, why do you do that to your brother? Why do you do that to your brother? Why? You know they will kill him. Why do you send him out? It's like you sell your brother out. Because of money, you put your brother for business. Hey? Now they don't beat and die now. So what do you gain? As you don't die now, what do you gain? You dey run. You say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. How long you want to run? And where you dey, you're not living in peace. You are not living in peace. Why woman be heartless? Why woman be value money more than even you? Woman be value money more than human wey God creates. That is when woman carry for belle for 9 months. They value money past paper. That is money, material things. Please, my fellow African brothers and sisters, if you do business, may you do am well. Do not sell yourself to these Arab people. Do not sell your brothers to these Arab people. Let us be our brother keeper. But we will not forget our forefathers. What did these people, Arabs and others, do to our forefathers? And now will they repeat it again? Will they repeat it again because of money? Look at this Igbo man, and this our brother. It doesn't matter the tribe. It doesn't matter where it comes from. We are one. It doesn't matter the country. We are black. We are one. You sell your own brother because of money, Andrew. That is very bad. That is may God have mercy on you. May God have mercy on your soul. That is, may God have mercy on you. Because you deserve what this guy, the painful death where this man died, this young man died, and you are uncle. When you call you uncle, that means you are older than him. You maybe is your sister's son or your brother's son. So we should be careful. That is how I put it. Do not trust anybody. Other than your uncle, other than your brother, other than your sister. Don't trust anybody. Everybody on your own. This world, will think yourself. Betrayal is too much. The way we betray each other is too much. So even do business with some people, you cannot. Everybody just think themselves. They don't even care for other people's feelings. How they feel, what will happen the next day. They don't care. As far as they have that money, they can enjoy their life with their family, live comfortable life. But this Andrew himself, now his own blood. If this man, he should beware from this. This man picture this man picture the right Andrew. So now he be the person when he say this is brother with Arab people. Because now seller will call him. Because you do business finish, you put your brother for danger, and now your brother life go for it. Maybe not be waiting to talk. Say Andrew go do the business and bring the money. Maybe he say okay, you stay here, let me go. My younger brothers stay here, let me go. Or my sister Pikin, or my brother Pikin stay here, make I go come. Now you tell run, you not bring money again because you have selfishness, greediness. Selfishness and greediness, and they kill a lot of African people, especially Nigeria. Now make Africa they grow today. Everybody want to think themselves. They won't grab everything. Why you not share? Is it bad for everybody to eat and live comfortable, equal in this world? Why people are selfish, especially Nigeria? Why? Why they only think they are safe? Why will you kill person because of money? Because the Arab people, they are the one who kill, but you too, you cause the killing. So you are among the blood of this man head will sink for your head. You will never get peace. Andrew, I hope say somebody will learn for this video. I hope say somebody will learn from this way they go on. That if you they do business, do not because of money, even your friend, even though self is not your family member, but is your friend. In short, even somebody may not know. You don't need to do any bad business with somebody life. You don't do that. When you do sincere business, life na jejeje, make it small, slowly, you go climb. Then when they eat the money, you go eat with a very, very clean mind, a peaceful way. Eh? Oh my God, have mercy upon us, oh Jesus. May God have mercy upon us. May God show all, make us to meet good people, not evil people, not bad people, not saboteurs, not betrayers, not also those black people that would say their people for money they give Arab people, and they don't watch history, they don't watch how waiting happen for our forefathers. Even though you both say they see the claim say now black, they say black, they say black, and what they talk now true, see what happen. How many of you born and don't see, or even Chinese say Arab people they flog like this? We always see this thing, especially 2015. Please, let us be our brother keeper. Let us be our brother keeper. Do your business in a very rightful way. Anywhere where you say you are Nigeria, people run away. My hope, my hope today is like let Biafra come. IPOB come, so that this, I hope say it will not be like the Zoom country. It will be a that is law country where we say everything will go in order. No business begin to eat more people money, put children for hunger, killing because of money. No. Please, let us be very careful for what we are doing. How we treat each other. How we betray each other because of material things, because of money, because of power. Please, be your brother keeper. And you, Andrew, wherever you are today, wherever anywhere where you dey, you know go find peace. This your brother pikin, or this your sister pikin, where you say give this other people, they kill am in a very painful death. So they kill am this way. We say a lot of people, some people they call me, say they say, oh my God. They cry 2 days. We not fit get herself. I just go depressed since yesterday and today because of this video when I see. As soon as they don't write me, say that man did not kill her. Depression just enter my body. Say, what did they go on with our people? Please, let us stop this evil act. This evil act, we should stop it. Don't say your brother because of money. Don't say your sister because of money. Please. Thank you as you watch this video. If I'm too emotional, please, I'm sorry. Sometimes issue like this, we have to bring it out in a very strong voice. So please, thank you. Share this video. Share it. I hope somebody will learn. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you as you join me, as you support me, as you subscribe on my YouTube channel, and you share it. God too will bless you. With whatever you are doing, God will support you. Thank you. Share this video. Share it. Share so that a lot of young men, a lot of people will learn, share. And as you do that, may God bless you. Thank you as you watch. May God bless you. Thank you. Stay well. Bye.